हेलो बच्चों, टुडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन एक्सरसाइज 4.4. In last lectures I have discussed you two method of solving the quadratic equations. First was the middle term split, second was the by completing whole square. Today we will discuss the quadratic formula. There is a formula for solving the quadratic equations. If the standard equation, let us take, that is ax square plus bx plus c. In our questions, we will obtain the values of a, b and c. A, b and c are the coefficient. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, c is the constant term. If equation is in this format, then we are having a formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 ac upon 2a. By using this formula, we can obtain the values of a given equation. Values means there are two values. Quadratic equation have two zeros, means two values of x. One values will be taken same solution with plus sign, and other value will be with minus sign. So let us take an example question. For example, let us take a equation x square plus 5x plus 6. If you will compare this equation with the standard equation, you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. When you have got these values, simply you have to put these values in the quadratic formula. This is called the quadratic formula. Then x will be calculated as minus b means minus 5 plus minus under root b square means 25 minus 4 into 1 into c is 6 upon 2 into 1. It is minus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus this will be 24, that is coming 1 upon 2 minus 5 plus minus 1 upon 2. Then one value of x will follow minus 5 plus 1 upon 2, that is minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. Other value of x will follow minus 5 minus 1 upon 2, minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 3. These are the two values. In this manner you can solve the given quadratic equation. It means you are having another method, that is the quadratic formula. By using this you can solve the equation. Now from the formula you have to understand. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This quantity existing in the radical sign, this one, this is called discriminant. And simply it is denoted by the letter d. Value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is called a discriminant, means the value existing under the radical sign. Without solving the equation, we can discuss about the nature of the root. There is a topic, the nature of the roots. Actually, basically this is the topic of the exercise 4.4, nature of the roots. On the calculation of d, there would be situations arising. First situation, if d is equal to greater than 0. Whatever value is coming, if it is positive, it means it would be greater than 0. The roots would be real and distinct. Real means they can be plotted on the number line. Real means all the values which can be plotted on the number line. And distinct means separate values like this. These are two distinct values. Second condition is if d is equal to 0, then real and equal values. Third condition is if d is less than 0. Less than 0 means unreal roots. Unreal roots means the roots cannot be expressed or plotted on the number line. Means d would be negative. Calculation of d will be negative. In such cases we will say no real roots. And two conditions more arise. Fourth will be d is equal to perfect square. In our example it is coming 1 is the perfect square number. Suppose it is coming 4 9 16 etc. Root will be solved. And situation coming like 3 5 7 11, it means root will not be solved. These are two conditions. Perfect square, if d is equal to perfect square, you will say rational root. If d is equal to imperfect square, imperfect square means the situation like 3 5 7 11 etc. means root is not able to be solved, then we will say irrational root. These are the conditions. Let us take an example. Example is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation. When you will compare this with the standard equation, you will insert a line, then a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. Simply calculate d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. How you will calculate? B square means minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 5. 3 is 9 minus 4 to 8, 8 5 ja 40. This is coming minus 1. Then you will then write d is less than 0. You need not to consider the value, what the value is coming, but you have to check whether what is the sign of the value. It is positive, it does mean d greater than 0. If it is 0, then d is equal to 0. If it is negative, then d less than 0. When d is less than 0, this situation is holding. You will write the final answer line. Hence, the root of the given equation are no real roots. Means no real roots. In this way, you can solve your exercise 4.4, and the chapter is completed today. Chapter 4. Now you properly take care of all the questions. Whatever you are not understanding, you can ask. Thank you.